Hey, it's Mike Rohde, the author of the Sketchnote Handbook, and I'm excited to present the all-inclusive Sketchnote Live Workshop Set. This set includes all three of my in-depth workshop recordings on lettering, layouts, and icons at one great price. Here's what's included. First, you get the Lettering Live Workshop, where I'll share my signature lettering style with live demos, including 2-line, 3-line, condensed and extended lettering styles. I'll share my approach to ligatures and scripts to add a little flair to your sketch notes. You'll also get downloads of my unique PDF lettering practice and reference sheets to help you as you practice. The Layout Live Workshop's also included, and in that we uncover layout principles like hierarchy and flow. We'll discover the 3 amplifiers and 7 common layouts for sketch notes. And of course, you'll get downloads of my unique PDF layout practice and reference sheets to help you in your practice. Finally, it also includes the Icon Live Workshop, where we'll learn the importance of icons in your sketch notes. I'll show you icon principles from basic shapes all the way through effective creation strategies, and you can watch me as I create icons from the beginning to the very end, the start to the finish. And you'll of course get downloads of my unique PDF layout practice and reference sheets to help you with your practice. It's a great time to refine your sketch notes by improving your lettering, your layout, and your icons, and I'm here to help you elevate your sketchnoting with those 3. So purchase your ultimate Sketchnote Live Workshop Set today.